breaking news right at the top, wherein the Odisha government has cracked down on tobacco products, is what we're learning. Bans all products containing tobacco and nicotine. There's a fresh order that's been issued banning chewable tobacco. Drug inspectors are to conduct enforcement drive. The Odisha government has issued this as a fresh order imposing a complete ban on all products containing tobacco or nicotine following a Supreme Court order according to a notification. Now, the state government, remember, had prohibited the manufacturing, storage, sale and distribution of Gutkha and pan masala containing tobacco or nicotine on January 3rd itself in 2013. However, Supreme Court has now observed in 2016 that manufacturers are selling pan masala without tobacco with flavored chewing tobacco in separate but often conjoined sachets, so that consumers can buy both to mix and eat them. The Apex Court, in fact, had directed all states to ensure total compliance with the ban imposed on the manufacturing and sale of the Gutkha and pan masala with tobacco and nicotine. However, the Odisha Health Department on Wednesday, now in the year 2026, has issued a fresh notification banning the very manufacturing and processing and packaging, as well as storage, transportation, distribution, as the sale of all products containing tobacco or nicotine as ingredients, whether sold in one product or through separate products. Either is now prohibited. Now, the prohibition extends to all food products, whether chewable or otherwise, which are either flavored or scented or mixed with any additives for that matter. That's what the order reads so far. Now, all food products, whether going by the name or form of Gutkha, pan masala, flavored or scented food products, or chewable food products by whatever name, they are completely banned in the state. The latest notification, in fact, supersedes the earlier order issued by the Health and Family Welfare Department in 2013. Now, there's been a reference that's been made to the International Agency for Research on Cancer under the World Health Organization. What is this reference? The notification had said chewing tobacco products such as zarda, khaini, gutka and processed scented or flavored tobacco of any kinds are classified as cancer-causing substances. The Health Minister, Mukesh has come out to say the District Drugs Inspector will conduct enforcement activities to ensure compliance with the ban order. And according to the second round of the Global Adult Tobacco Survey, more than 42% of Odisha's adult population uses smokeless tobacco, which is almost double the national average itself. Now, Taposh and Gupta joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details on this. Taposh, very good morning to you. Let's understand what this order exactly has notified. It's come out to say that chewing tobacco of any kind, and in fact sale of tobacco products of any kind, has been banned in Odisha in order to curb the health concerns rising with regards to consumption of such tobacco containing or nicotine containing products.
Well, yes, absolutely, because as far as the survey is concerned, as we said that over 42% of the people in the survey have been found consuming chewable tobacco, that's not smoking but chewable tobacco, which is even more harmful. So based on the previous order, now it's a complete crackdown that the Odisha government has decided, and continuous raids to be conducted by authorities in order to curb the sale of chewable tobacco as well. This will be enforced by the drug inspectors, and the drive will continue throughout the state. As of now, we've been given to understand that there is zero tolerance policy of the Odisha government as far as the sale of chewable tobacco is concerned. This particular decision has come up keeping in mind about the health issues of the common citizens who are residing in Odisha, and also the increase in the number of cancers that have come forward in last almost 1 decade. So keeping the several parameters in consideration, this decision have been taken. Now it remains to be seen on ground how successful Odisha government will be taking forward this drive and make Odisha tobacco-free state. Back to you.
Right, Taposh. Thank you for bringing us context into this very order that's now been passed by the Odisha government at this given point of time, viewers. That's what we are learning, that the Odisha government has issued a fresh order. Remember, the first order had come in 2013. The next was in 2016. Now in 2026, 10 years later, we see yet another order, but this time coming in a stricter form that no kinds of tobacco products containing chewable tobacco, containing nicotine, either of them will be allowed to be sold in Odisha. And this is because of the very survey that's highlighted the problems of consumption. 42% is the number that's been quoted. If we go by the reports, that's the very number that's been given by the Odisha government. And this is according to the second round of the Global Audit Tobacco Survey. More than 42% of Odisha's adult has been consuming smokeless tobacco, which is almost double the country's average in itself. So which is why to tackle this problem on a war footing scale at this point of time, we see, and this is also a health concern that's been rising in the state, we see that they have banned all tobacco products, and drug inspectors, in fact, will be put on the job to keep a track that this is taken care of, and this is the reality when no tobacco products are sold in Odisha.